Medieval Chronicles. Explore the world of medieval history. Many people imagine that medieval castles were dirty places where everyone simply used buckets and emptied them out of the nearest window. While that may have happened on occasion, the reality is far more interesting. Medieval castle toilets were generally known as garderobes, a type of latrine built directly into the castle's walls or towers. These simple but effective toilets allowed waste to pass through a vertical shaft and away from the living areas of the castle. From mighty royal fortresses to smaller noble residences, most medieval castles had some form of toilet system, demonstrating that even in the Middle Ages, sanitation was an important part of daily life. Once waste disappeared down the garderobe shaft, it had to go somewhere. In many castles, the waste simply fell through a vertical chute built into the wall and collected in a pit at the base of the castle. These pits had to be emptied regularly to prevent them from overflowing. Some castles discharged waste directly into a moat, while others were built near rivers or streams where flowing water could help carry waste away from a fortress. Castle builders understood the importance of keeping waste away from living areas, kitchens, and water supplies. Although medieval sanitation was far from perfect, these systems helped make castle life cleaner and more practical than many people imagine. The destination of the waste depended on the castle's design, location, and available water sources, but the goal was always the same: to move waste as far away from the people living inside the castle as possible. Once the waste had collected in pits and cesspools, someone had to remove it. This unpleasant task fell to workers known as gong farmers, men responsible for cleaning out medieval toilets and cesspits. It was dirty, dangerous work, but someone had to do it. Toilet facilities in medieval castles often reflected a person's status. Lords and ladies frequently had private garderobes connected to their chambers, while soldiers, servants, and other castle residents usually shared communal facilities. Although medieval sanitation was far from modern standards, people did make efforts to keep castles clean. Waste was removed regularly, and toilets were positioned to carry waste away from the main living areas whenever possible. Castles could still be unpleasant places at times, but medieval builders understood that good sanitation was important for the health and comfort of those living within the fortress. Despite their simple appearance, medieval castle toilets hold some surprising secrets. Many garderobes were built several stories above the ground, with waste dropping through shafts hidden inside the castle walls. Some castles even had toilets built directly into towers, allowing waste to fall outside the fortress and away from the living quarters. Archaeologists have discovered a remarkable range of objects inside medieval latrines, including coins, jewelry, pottery, and even evidence of what people ate hundreds of years ago. One popular theory suggests that clothes were sometimes stored near garderobes because fleas were thought to dislike the strong odors, which may explain why the castle toilet became known as a garderobe, a word also associated with storing clothing. These unexpected discoveries continue to provide historians with valuable insights into everyday life inside medieval castles. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of medieval history. For more articles, guides, and resources covering castles, knights, battles, and medieval life, visit medievalchronicles.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more medieval history videos, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, thank you for watching and farewell.